Yeah, g'day. It's Chris from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I've been a tiler, a professional tiler for 35 years, and we're into the next stage. We're about to throw a bit of grout up, so let's make it happen. When you mix grout, it's always to a toothpaste consistency. See that? I don't fluff around mixing it with a drill and all that sort of thing. With these large tiles, you're not mixing up huge quantities of it. I do it by hand, easy. I've chosen a relatively dark grey for this tile, and I reckon it will be bang on. I asked the owner what she'd like, and she said, you choose, you know what to use. So yeah, so I've chosen the grout colour, and I reckon it's well, it's what I'd have in mine. So that's that tells you one thing. If I'm happy with it, well then the owner should be happy with it. I'll do a bit more today before I go home, and then I haven't got much to finish it off on Monday. So I'll have a nice early day before my next one, which I'll start Tuesday. The next one I go to is another bathroom like this. I've done the ensuite already. Slap it in. Now, because this is a shiny tile, you need to leave it a little bit longer before you wipe it off. You don't have to worry about it soaking into the tile, so you can leave it a little bit longer, which helps to make the joint nice and flat and flush. Beauty. I like it a lot. Get rid of that excess. Cool bananas. That's good. I'll do those couple of joints when I do the floor on Monday, because that won't be quite dry yet. I just did it before. Piece of cake. It's just a light rub with the super shiny tile. See how it's waxed up? It's all wax. When the porcelain first came out, it was all waxy, and then it wasn't, and then this batch is. Cool, eh? And I'll do a light grey on these walls. White would be too white. See the glue? That glue didn't even stick, eh? To that tile because of the wax. So you never use these tiles as a packer. If you're packing anything, that's a no-no, because nothing would stick to that face. Just a little something. To take note of, because sometimes I use a tile or two as a packer if I need to bring it out for the finished tile, but you'd never use this tile. It would fall off in 5 minutes. Now don't forget to do a comment in the comment column. Ask any question. I'll try and get to it to answer the questions. If you're needing to know anything, just drop us a line in the comments column. give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we're home and hose. Then you'll get enough of me that you're bound to learn something. Hopefully. Like my teachers at school said, you're better off going out and getting a job because you're not learning anything here. Yeah. Now look at that. Bloody beautiful. On Monday, I'll just give it a polish off with a dry cloth. It'll come out amazing. Absolute amazing. Oh, I've got to cut those floor wastes too, these squares, but that's all right. I'll do that now actually before I go any further so I don't forget, because I've got glue mixed up. When you put a tile up there, it finishes it off nicely, and then they paint that ceiling. I'll pull them out on Monday. It'll give the glue a little bit more time to dry.